Hey, Chef and Chefettes.
What's up, YouTube? We are back! Back with another mukbang, baby!
Oh, yeah.
I'm telling them what we eating today.
We are eating
pig feet!
pig feet sauce.
Guys, we are eating pickled pig feet sauce. Similar to how we made the chicken feet a couple videos ago. Maybe I'll drop some clips here, there. You know how I do. And we got our special guest, Smackalicious.
Be lovely.
So B-Love came to dinner today. So B-Love said she wanted some of this pig feet, so we brought her along.
Oh yeah, this pepper is so cute.
Come on, so let's say grace. Let's jump right in and I want to try it. I don't even know how it tastes. We haven't. You know when you cook sometimes and you don't taste it.
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
Yeah, this is one of those. I didn't taste it.
All right, so we're gonna jump right in. Grace, let's go.
Damn, that was a quick grace. No, that's fine. That's fine. I want to try cucumber. I'm jumping right into cucumber. I want to see how the water is tasting first.
So this cannot be just water. It's water and
some seasoning. And some greens.
some lime.
Cilantro, scallions, shadow benny.
Onions.
Oh, true. We forgot our third special guest. Y'all see that? Damn, we didn't even do a thumbnail.
Out of pocket for that shit. Way out of pocket.
Good thing we only have cucumber.
Word.
Okay.
Come on, let's do a thumbnail. Let's do a thumbnail.
Let me hold something.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. All right. Guys, have you guys tried B-Love Smackalicious sauce yet?
Clearly we did, because you see the bottles are like half empty.
So I put a little hot sauce in here, but I think it needs a little danger.
No.
Just a little.
Yeah.
A little over there. A little over there. A little over there. Okay.
All right, please. You know, danger is dangerous.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Dangerous is dangerous.
I like slapping and hectic, my two favorite. Because, I mean, I'm not gonna say I'm a wimp or nothing like that.
So judging by our bottles, slapping and hectic is almost done, so you can tell she likes it.
I do.
Danger is like still full. But guys, I want to show you before we dig in what the pig feet look like. Did you show them?
I did it. I did hold one up, but...
Guys. Well, I'm dripping.
that.
I'm dripping. You gotta come in. They can't see it from so far. Stop being shy.
This is without any, like, pepper sauce over there.
Which one you got here?
I got slapping and hectic.
So I'm gonna put some slapping. You know I like to show you guys everything up close and personal. Oh yeah.
I'll take some. Do mine.
Go closer. Stop being shy.
Do mine. Yeah.
I should have gave you danger.
No! God, please, no! No!
You know I just said hectic and slapping are my two favorites.
I should give you danger.
All right, come on, let's get this.
Danger ain't getting no love. He over here on the side.
You got that all in the bag.
Cheers.
Cheers. Girl, this pepper sauce is just my favorite.
Guys, comment below if you eat pig feet. Or cow feet.
Or chicken feet.
Or chicken feet. Guys, these pig feet cook for about 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
I don't know why feet take so long to cook. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh.
The chicken feet take just as long.
Just as long. I prefer chicken feet. But pig feet and cow feet is just as good. I like the fat in the pig feet and the cow feet.
Yeah, chunkier.
It has so much fat.
Not that it's good for you, but who cares? The mixture of the seasonings on this, it makes it so good.
I need another one. So I tried slapping. Now I'm gonna try one with some hectic.
I hope you don't ask me to try danger, cause I'm a wimp.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Now I'm gonna try some hectic.
When you hear the crunch, these cucumbers are so fresh. Let me do hectic. Let me a little bit.
Yeah, I don't think I'm.
Wait, let me go.
I don't think I'm doing danger today.
A little bit.
I think
A little bit.
Get a little closer so they can see. That's the bone. Tell me, can I get the front?
Oh.
There you go.
Oh. Let me see if I could get a cucumber and throw some seasoning on top of this.
Ooh, I'm making
You see the seasoning? Look at this. Chef, you don't want none of that. Chef, you don't want none of that.
Nah, I worry about the meat.
What?
Let me show you guys. Look.
You know who loves pig feet?
Who?
Cuzzo.
Prepare it for us. I boil these summer guns to perfection. Do you hear me? We got some good old pig feet. And they are truly tender, cuz look at the shenanigans. Oh!
She always busting out for pig feet.
She make it in like a stew. We gotta do that one day.
Totally.
Cuzzo, send us your recipe, girl.
Word. If you're watching this, Cuzzo, I'm gonna need that pickled stew. Pig feet.
I really want. You be eating that? It be sliding off the bone.
Ooh, that hectic is hot.
Nah, that hectic is good.
I'm sorry, but I'm not doing danger today.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
It's good. That's real good. We did with some of the seasoning, onions and stuff.
You talking about the danger?
No, just this.
Oh, because I'm not doing danger.
It's real.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Good.
I'm not doing danger today.
I put pickles and onion. I mean, cucumber. I keep saying pickles.
I wish they had more meat on these things.
I got more than chicken feet.
I'm sorry. Just trying to get.
This is good.
Yo, these things actually look like feet. I ain't gonna lie. No cap, no cap, no cap. Can you imagine, Babe, plopping around? The pig, Babe, look. Bloop, 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 bloop.
Oh my god.
Come here. Shut your stupid ass up. Say that
You ever watch that movie, Babe?
Yes.
With the pig? Imagine him plopping around and you about to devour him. His little feet, look at this.
Please stop.
Did it? Squeak, 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 squeak. All right, I'm doing the danger. I'm gonna do the danger.
I can't do it with you.
I'm just gonna do a little bit. I can't wimp out. Because you know why? Other videos, we tried each one separately. I think this is the first time we're trying all her sauces together. So I'm gonna have to be a wimp on the danger though, because I know this shit hot. I know
Please
it's
show
hot.
us how much you put on there.
That's the danger. So I'm trying all three at the same time.
Okay. My favorite, y'all know. You do it to yourself.
I think I've retired the danger.
It's hot. It's hot.
I think I done retired the danger. Guys.
Keep working on it.
Nah, the danger has been retired.
Don't touch these two. They're not good for you. They're good for me. Can you see I eat it with everything?
I think I'm retired danger.
Let me get some slapping. I don't know.
Danger might be in the cupboard next to 2 times.
Oh no, she didn't! Oh!
Just need some slapping. This right here. Yes.
I can't mess with the danger no more. Something ain't right. It wasn't that bad the first time we ate it.
Maybe we were just hungry.
We ate the danger with the fruits.
But you know the sweetness probably dies down the heat. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you're right.
There's not sweet in this thing.
Poor little Bambi. So let me try some of these veggies.
Oh, good. You put it on the.
How about you try some danger with some veggies?
I can't.
Yeah, I think that's about it. We about to wrap this video up. Guys, comment below if you tried pig feet. And let us know if you want our recipe.
It's real simple to make. A little time consuming, but it's good.
I mean, if you ain't get your blove Smackalicious sauce, go and get it. Spend over $30, you get free shipping.
That's right.
And I think she got some holiday Black Friday sales too.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Anything else you gotta say?
Nope. Make this.
That's it, guys. And we are
out.
Let me do it. Thumbnail.
You want to hold one up?
I want to hold a hot sauce and a
Okay.
chicken. A chicken.
Alright, I'll make sure they can see. You guys can see this? Let me hold it up here. Make sure you don't cover the label though, you know what I mean?
I'm holding it up.
Yours is backwards.
Oh gosh, just take the damn picture.
All
Shit,
right.
man.
3,
2,
1.
1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Why are you looking at me? Because you're doing a whole bunch of caca shit.
I am.
You're doing a pack of shit. You're doing a bunch of shit.
Can we do one more? Just
Because you looking at me. Why are you looking? Do what you feel like you need to do. Let it be natural. Let it flow.
Okay.
You over here looking at me like, what he doing? I want to do the same thing as him. Why are you trying to be? You always trying to be like me. Do your own thing.
Because normally we'll make a happy face, a sad face.
Only you like to be uniform and in sync. I don't do that shit. You do what you want. I do what I want.
What kind of shit is this?
The fuck you mean?
I know we're partners.
Let's try this again. We go.
Fuck.
Let's do this thumb.
Sorry.
Let's do these thumbnails again.
All right.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Don't watch me.
Oh, sorry.
Do not watch me.
Okay, one more. 3, 2, 1. All right. We gotta do thumbnail with the food though.
How about we pour a little bit of hot sauce in here, so you know what I'm saying?
I'll do that after.
Okay.
I wanna do a thumbnail like this. I'm gonna grab a meat. I'm gonna grab a bottle and do like one of these silly faces that you normally do. You know the ones you do when you wake me up in the morning. I'd be scared of shit.
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
I wanna do one of those.
All right, let's do one of those.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
They give you a wing? That's crazy. I didn't know what are no wings. But ready?
All right.
3, 2, 1.
Wait. The bottle. We need to make sure the bottle is straight. You know.
Pretend that's not there. Pretend that is not there.
3.
Cause cause you're constantly looking.
Don't worry about
at the
me.
camera. Pretend it's not there.
Please don't worry about me.
Okay.
Thank you. 3, 2.
Hold on. Let me look. Okay. Ready?
I guess
That's you. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3. Wait, what was that? That was like an extra pose. Like, what are you doing? You throwing me off.
You do your thing,
No, but
and
you-
I will do my thing.
No,
That's
but
what you told me.
No, but you throwing
That's
me
what
off.
you told me last time.
Ooh, that was like an extra pose.
That's what you told me last time.
Wait, but
so
you
you do your thing.
You gotta.
I will do.
You gotta let me know when you're doing extra poses, though. I didn't know you was doing extra pose. Like, where did that come from? That was like so left field.
I was winging it.
Oh,
you get it.
You gotta like.
Come on, let's
You
go.
gotta like nudge me when you're gonna wing it. Like,
You gotta be kidding me.
like
You
I
gotta-
didn't know you were doing a
you gotta-
2-for-1 special.
This damn chicken will be cold by the time.
Like, shit. Let me know you're doing like
All right.
double taking.
Okay, got you.
All right. So
Stop.
is this one gonna be double take or is it
Can you
single
stop
take?
watching me with a corner in your eye?
Is this a
Thank
double?
you.
Is this a
This
double?
is a single take.
Single take. All right. I'm just gonna smile for this one. I'm just gonna let you know what I'm doing because you're just doing a whole bunch of caca shit. I'm just going to
Let's
smile.
go. Come on.
Plain
You're
smile.
over talking it. Come on. Let's go.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. I'm sounding like AB, right?
Yes.
AB always over. Yeah, I know AB. What's his name? Smoking and grilling with AB. He stay over talking it.
I don't want to over talk it. I just want to show you.
AB, I'm sorry. All right. Come on. Ready? 3, 2, 1. All right, guys. So we about to try Lovely's hectic sauce. Make
right,
sure.
so
Let's go. Yeah, you want to do the grace? Open
I
this
did
up.
Grace already.
Open this up.
You know I can't see.
While Chef Trini opens up, how was you
Hi,
guys'
Chef
day?
Sam.
Oh, I said Chef Trini. Like me.
Oh, God.
I should never take that shot earlier, you know. So while Chef
Oh my God.
Sam
It's a
opens
good
it-
thing, you know, 2 videos ago you said you don't
Hey,
drink
open-
because you're a Christian.
Open,
Oh no, she didn't.
Remember that?
don't nobody remember that. Nobody watched the last video.
They did. They subscribed too.
Sam, open that up. Guys, how was your day? Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Comment below what you're making for Thanksgiving. Damn, I'm spinning all over the place. Comment below what you're making for Thanksgiving. Guys, comment below if you watched the last 2 reviews of the slapping and oh, you smell that? It smells kind of good.
It smells kind
It
of
smells
dangerous
good.
to me.
It smells good. Let me see.
It smells dangerous to me.
They'll do.
And I feel nervous.
We gotta do a thumbnail. We gotta do a thumbnail. We gotta do a thumbnail. We gotta do a thumbnail.
I am nervous.
Yeah, boy. You
All
got,
right. It looks good. Let's hold it up. Let's hold up some things.
Oh, thumbnail.
Yep.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Maybe we can Okay, that's fine. I was gonna try to tilt the bowl, but we don't have to because it's
3,
clear.
2, 1. One more.
One more.
3, 2, 1. All right.